screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So security default in Microsoft Entra ID. So let me tell you what does it mean by this. Just recap. Means if you are new in an organization, or you can say you are making a new organization from your end, and you don't have a budget, or you don't have a person for a security kind of a setting, then Microsoft will give you some sort of a default security features in the security, which is pre-configured from the Microsoft side. So Microsoft is making these pre-configured security setting available to everyone. So these we called as a security default. So basically prerequisite all the user registered for the multi-factor authentication, just like, and then second one is multi-factor authentication for administrator, multi-factor authentication for the other user, blocking legacy, and some privilege activity like access to Azure portal. So that kind of a thing is already be inside the pre-default features. Okay. So we can easily enable security defaults. We can configure this. We can change the conditional policies and all. So we will see these features by these options. Okay. So we will go here and check this one. Yes, it is. Just type admin dot Microsoft.com and go to the P2 enter ID.
So this one I'm going to
Azure.com. Perfect. Now do one thing. Side by side we will see. So first open enter ID in both the environment, because the features is exactly same. So you can open either of the one. Here you can open enter ID. Yeah, open enter ID. Expand everything. Go to scroll down and go to properties. Properties. Yeah, above one, security and properties. Click over there. So in this property, what you can see under the property, it is a security defaults by the, basically under the property, what is the security default for your organization? It will give you some sort of the options. Like if you don't have a person who can manage everything, then there is a security default. Move to the right and scroll down. Scroll down completely. See in the last option, security defaults. Security default are basic identity security mechanism recommended by Microsoft. When enabled, these recommendation will automatically enforce in your organization. Administrator and user will be better protect from the common identity related attack. Okay. Now click on the.
Yeah. Okay. Security default. This is okay.
Because the definition is also written. I'm just reading this. Okay.
Where?
No. Manage security defaults. Click on manage security default. Yeah. So it is already being okay. It is disabled. Okay. It is enabled. So here you can see 99.9% of account compromise could be stopped by using this multi-factor authentication, which is the feature that security default provides. So security default is nothing but like a feature provided by Microsoft. If you enable this, by default, it is being secured by Microsoft. If you disable this, this is not recommended. So it is a inbuilt feature given by Microsoft. Okay.
Okay.
So this, you can say, this is a very basic kind of a security. If you don't have a technology knowledge, or you don't have a knowledge about any kind of a thing, then you can directly enable this. And if you select the disable option, please select the disable option as well.
When so now you see disable this, you have to set conditional access, right?
Sorry?
If you disable this, there's no more security, right?
Correct. Then
And
you
to
need
security, you have to do condition access.
correct. So when you disable this, then you should know about everything. Why you are disabling this and reason also disabling. Then you can see the options are too many multi-factor authentication is there, usable app or not, or conditional access. So these are the features. These are the options you need to select before saving this, because this is a very important feature. Okay. Yeah, so this is a very important thing. And whatever the site which I have opened to show you, can you click on learn more? Move to the right, yeah, learn more. Click over there. So the site is already being here. So you can see, you please save this one. Security default in Microsoft Entra ID. So it is containing all the information which you require. Scroll down. So here you can see what kind of free request you have, what kind of conditional access you have, enabling security default, what kind of a role you have. We scroll down. So it can give you like how can you access this. So the options is also you already seen. Scroll down, identity overview and property. Scroll down. So this is the feature we already seen, right? So scroll down again. Scroll down, and revoking active tokens also there. Scroll down. Scroll down. So if you enforce security policy, then there would be required all user to be registered. This is very important. What does it mean by this? After 14 days of registration, you can do this. See, may not have 14 days grace period for the user to register with MFA. So after 14 days, you can register yourself in enforce security policy. Either you can apply or not. It's up to you. Okay. Scroll down, because this will directly impact the Microsoft server. Basically, that is the reason. Okay. Scroll down. So this is the multi-factor authentication. Tips and recommendation is already have like what kind of tips you can go with it and how can you register yourself and these many things. Okay, scroll down. How many registrations, like global, how many effects is there? So every time if you do anything, then you have to be registered here. Okay. So this is the thing for default registration. It is very small topic but very important. So that is the reason you have to make sure about this. Okay. Like who can register, who want this one, who need the access. So this kind of a thing. Okay. Now, if we want to remove this, then how do we go with this? Like if I want to remove this, I am an expert in security. I don't require this default security. Suppose. Then it is asking you, like if you click on the no, right? So it is asking why you want to remove the security, right? In the disabling option. So there is one option which is called as conditional access, that you already know. But this is a new term for the separate technology, you can say. So the technology, if you like this one, so conditional access you can see here as well. Scroll up, scroll up. Where is the conditional access? Let me find from my side conditional access. Yeah. Who should use conditional access? There is a point. So go to there. Scroll down. Scroll down. No. Scroll down. No. Up. Completely up. There is a one point. Who should use conditional access? Scroll up. 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 Scroll. Wait. Scroll down. It will be yeah.
So use
Who
conditional
should use
access.
conditional access? Yeah. So in this conditional access, there is a blue link. You should consider conditional access. Click over there. So if you are a security expert, then you can remove this disable policy. And what does it mean by the conditional access? That we already do, but this is a separate one, little bit separate one, not exactly. So scroll down. So what does it mean by conditional access? So conditional access is based on signals, decision, and enforcement. Basically, these are the three parts. Okay, we already know zero trust policy and everything. So basically, conditional access is depend on the scroll down little bit. The primary goal is scroll down. Yeah, enforcing usage with productivity and protect the organization asset. Okay, so basically, conditional access is nothing. It's just like a common thing. Let me share my screen so it will be a better thing for you. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, not yet. Yes.
Now, okay. So in the conditional access, signal, decision, and enforcement, if you want to increase your productivity, then you can go with these two. So it is primary goal is enforce user to be a productive and protect organization asset. Which why does it mean by this? Like every time if you log in, it is asking you MFA. Every time you are log in, if it is asking you a password, it is time consuming, right? Right?
Yep.
So you get irritated, like why every time it is asking me this silly kind of a thing? I am an owner. So for protecting this, you can go with this, the conditional access. Like if you are owner, no condition, directly login, done. If you are data engineer, some access. If you are data scientist, two access. So these kind of a thing you can imply. So common signals will be the same, the zero trust policy. Okay. So in the data side, you can go with a signal kind of a thing, basically. Like let me tell you one, like user or group members. So policy can target a specific user for fine controlling. Like suppose owner can get the access without any kind of a MFA or anything. Then second, IP location kind of information. Like I want, if a person is from USA, no need any kind of a MFA. And if a person is from Russia, then need MFA. Right. So that kind of a thing you can easily set up. Organization can create a trusted IP address range that can be used to making the policy decision. Now the next one is device. I can put like if there is an Android device, then MFA or password or OTP required. If it is a laptop, then password required and OTP required. If it is a iPhone or Mac device, then the MFA is not required. So this kind of a decision we can make. Then application side, if the application will be triggered based on the policy or something, then we can put real-time calculation also there and defender also there. So we have a common decision basically. So block with some decision and grant with some decision. So this is the basically your methodology. Like you can go with multi-factor, you can go with authenticator, you can go with device, you can go with enter ID, you can go with client app, you can go with app protection, you can go with protect password, you can go with terms and conditions. So these are the some features for the conditional access for the security person who can go with any kind of a thing, like multi-factor authentication with management, with sign-in, with trusted location. Like if I want that, if a person is from the USA, then no need any kind of a password, directly login. That's it, done. So these kind of a thing you can easily implement into the conditional policy. Okay, but this is also based on zero trust. Means you have to verify yourself. Okay. Okay, so let's go with conditional access. Can you again share your screen, please?
Okay.
So let me just tell you one more point, like conditional access based on name, device, application, real time, cloud, risk. What kind of access is there? Block, grant, or require a condition. So this is for your conditional access. This is completely depend on your mood basically. I want nobody can log in from China. Then this is the your mode basically. Okay. So this is for your conditional thing. Now you have to go to the first step. Go to first tab, first tab. Yeah, correct, this one. Now here find enterprise. There should be some sort. No, first go to enter ID. First go to enter ID. Because P2 is only the option to go to this, because in the free mode you are, I think you are not able to access, but I'm not sure, maybe it is there or not. So now find in the left side, find enterprise or something, because this is a new layout. Enterprise application. Just expand everything. Application. Yeah, this one, enterprise application. Correct. So in the enterprise application, right now we are not organization or a company. So all applications should be 0. There is nothing. Okay. Now in the security tab, you can see the conditional access. But when you click on the enter ID gallery, click on the plus icon, new application. No. New application. Click on new application. So in the new application, you can see all the cloud platform. So you can combine, or you can say multi-cloud kind of a security man you can be in the future, like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, SAP. So you can connect with this basically. That is the reason I am showing to you. So if you want to connect with anyone, like there are also some other, like you want to connect with Salesforce, just search on the Salesforce. Search.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah. Search.
Yeah,
Not
this
here.
is
Scroll up. There is a scroll up. Yeah, see, there are lots of options. Multi-cloud system you can create.
Salesforce.
Correct, Salesforce. You click over there, and then you can connect with any kind of your resource like Salesforce, ADP. ADP you can select. See, ADP. So here you need to protect from your sign-in option as SAML based and linked with sign-in. So no need to interact with every time with password. You can directly go with Salesforce. ADP is also there. No. Don't create. It will charge you. Just need to click on create, and then automatically it will be created. Don't worry. It is not the hard one. So ADP is also there. Like how to connect with ADP. There are tutorials also there. So if you want to see the tutorials, like there is a step, our step-by-step Salesforce integration tutorial. Click over there.
Where, here?
Yeah, correct. Click over there. So tutorials, enter ID, single sign-in, integration with Salesforce. So single sign, what does it mean by single sign-in? No need to any kind of password or any kind of MFA is not required every time.
Single sign online, you sign in one account, you access many accounts.
Correct, absolutely correct. So no need to, like, every time you no need to worry about it, like I forgot the password or something. So automatically it will be a sign in with your Salesforce. Just scroll down. So you can see how to connect, how to scenarios. So it's completely based on the requirement. Like Salesforce also there is a tutorial, ADP also a tutorial, AWS also a tutorial, GCP also you have a tutorial. Scroll down and you can see and go through it. Okay, anyone. It's depend on the project wise. So whatever project you are assigning, like they want AWS kind of a thing, you can go with AWS. They require GCP, then you can go with a GCP. So anything you can go with it. Okay. Yeah. So can we connect one if you want?
Like one app?
No. Can we connect with any one tool if you want?
I don't understand the connect. Or what type of connect?
SSO. Right now you are opening Salesforce,
like
single sign-in.
integrating
Do you want to
single
connect with
sign on
anyone?
with it. But before we connect single sign-on with, are we going to connect with AWS or what?
ADP, because ADP is free.
Okay, we can do big. So are we going to? Okay, so who is ADP is going to be the service provider, and then Intra ID is going to be the identity provider, or?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, let's
go back. Go back.
I should go back.
Close this the tab. Close this tab. Close this tab now. Not this one. Yeah, yeah. Go here. Instead of the Salesforce, close the Salesforce and select ADP. Scroll up or type ADP, whatever.
I'm not seeing ADP.
There are lots of options, don't worry. ADP. See.
Okay. Which one should I take? This one?
This one, correct. So ADP is also related to SSO ID. Most of the time you need to connect with ADP. So you can go with it. Okay. So in what kind of access we need? So how can we connect? So in the ADP side, so it's pretty easy. Just click on create. And your application deployment is done. That's it. So every time, like if you have an account in ADP, no need to provide any kind of a password or anything. You can directly log into ADP without password, without MFA, without OTP, without anything. And your ADP is successfully deployed. So first one is your name. Second one is your application ID. Third one is your object ID. Now you can see assign user and group. So you can assign anyone. Second option is set up single sign-in. You can easily set up. Third one is provision user account. You can easily do. Conditional access. That is the reason we have created this ADP. And then self-service also there. So there are multiple options. One by one, we can go with it. So whatever is required for the work project, so we can go with it. Okay. Now,
Okay.
so our learning part, we can first go with a conditional access. Like suppose there is a HR. HR no need any kind of a security, and HR directly go with the any kind of a security and directly go with the without
So
password or something.
I should go to conditional access?
Sorry?
You say I should go on conditional access?
Yeah, but directly you cannot go, na? Wait. Do you have a conditional access policy?
No.
No. So first we have to create a policy, then we can go with the conditional access, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first we have to go to the conditional. First we have to create the conditional access. Okay. Do one thing. Instead of just clone this tab or duplicate this tab. Yeah, right click over there. Right click. Yeah, duplicate. Correct. So now we will create one conditional policy over there so that we can easily maintain everything here, and then we can apply the policy there. Okay. For
Okay.
creating a conditional policy, what you need to do is you need to go to first the enter ID, which is what we already have. Okay. So in the enter ID, what we have to do is in the enter ID, the option is the security one. Go to the security.
Yeah.
Not here. Where is the option here? Click on the identity governance. There is the security tab, security protection. Check in protection. This is the security. Scroll up. Check in device.
Customs. Oh no.
External identity. You need to check everything, because let me show you this
Let me
feature
see
we are.
access condition.
Okay, this is there. Okay, we need this one. Wait. We need this one only. We need this one only. Okay, perfect. So conditional access, here we have to create a new policy. Okay. Wait. Let me finish this. So every time based on your like occupation, based on some IP address, based on some location, based on your target, you can go with it. Okay. So first of all, like if you want to provide a country wise, like I want this country can be logged very easily and this country can be blocked. Okay, then there is an option called as named location. Click over there. In the manage, there is named location. Correct. So in the named location, you can put like right now you are from USA, I am from India, and we are only accessing this. I want that only the person who is from USA and who is from India is able to access, and nobody can access this. You are getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can click over country's location or IP range location, whatever. There is two tabs. Country's location or IP location. If you know the IP, you can go with IP and then select two country. One is USA and one is India. Select. Scroll down. USA should be in the last now. Completely. Okay, India chosen. Done. Scroll down completely. Completely. United States. Correct. Scroll up completely. Completely up. Yeah, so you have to type the name of this location, whatever the name you can put the name. Just put demo. Just put demo. And we are already selecting the country name, but I'm not sure about the IP, so we are not putting the IP name. Okay, and then click hit on create. Now, after clicking on this create, nobody outside from USA and India is able to access this portal. But right now, we didn't create the policy. This is only for access control policy level. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have fixed the country location. So by which we can see that how many IPs can we do and how many authentication we can do, how many thing we can do. Okay. Now there is one more thing I can tell you. There is option called as configure multi-factor authentication trusted IP. Third option, country location, IP location. Third is configured multi-factor authentication trusted IP. Third option, not here. Yeah, here, correct. When you click on this, it will open a second tab. Click over there. It will open a second tab. So if you provide multiple IP list, right? If you are using a VPN, suppose you want to go to the portal, but by clicking on IP list, so when you are using VPN, then IP is fixed. So every time you need to be list down your IP addresses here. You are
Okay, the
getting
IP address you list here are the IP address that you want anybody out of the to access, or anybody who is out of this IP
wait.
addresses list.
Yeah. So first option, allow user to create app password to sign in to non-browser app and don't allow. This is the first option. So if you want to allow, then it will allow. The now second option, trusted IP. Keep multi-factor authentication for these IP. So you can list down whose IP is this. So no need any kind of a password, multi-factor authentication, anything. They can directly log into the portal. You are getting point?
Yes.
So if you don't want to again putting password or something, so you can put your IP address here. Automatically, it will not ask you anything. But this feature is only for the organization where they are using some sort of a VPN. Let me share my screen and tell you that how it when I want to log in with my portal, my company account. So keep this confidential, right? So I want to log into the portal, but it is asking me some sort of a detail. But right now, when you go here, this is the option Cloudflare, this one, Zero Trust, the VPN. This is a Brave Cloudflare. When I turn it on, if I turn off, then I'm not able to log in. You're getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. Skip multi-factor authentication for request from federal user on my internet. The checkbox. Click over there. Click the checkbox. Yeah. When you click on the checkbox, now you can add anything and skip the multi-factor authentication. But by default, we are putting, you can write something email address randomly if you want.
In this blank.
Yeah, you can write anything. The number something, 10 dot or 10 dot or something. But do not save this because we already put it the country name wise. So you can go with the IP range or country wise, whatever you want. Okay. It's up to you. You can go with the country, you can go with IP range, you can go with a policy, or you can say this option. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is done. Scroll down. Now you have to save this, but we are not saving this. Now number of days user can trust the device is 90 days. You can put the days as well. So after 90 days, you need to set up it again, or you can change the number of days to 90 to 180 or something, but the day should not be less than 0. So every time you can put the date, and so that it will not ask you any kind of a password, any kind of a thing. So you can directly log in and enjoy. Forget the password, anything. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a very secret and hidden trick only for the owners, security admin, and some administrator level of a person. Okay. So this is very
Okay.
important. Yeah. Close this window. Now go with the flow, the second one. This one. Yeah. Third one. Correct. Now we already create a conditional policy. Right. Now click on policy. This is just one condition. Whatever condition you can go, there is like VPN connectivity. In the manage tab, you can see manage tab, you have multiple options. Named location, second is custom control, third is term of uses, fourth is VPN connectivity, fifth is authentication content, sixth is authentication strength. So any kind of option you can choose. But just now I am showing you the name location. Okay.
Okay.
In the manage tab, you can see multiple options. Click on VPN connectivity. There is VPN connectivity option is also there. Click on VPN connectivity.
Well,
Left side, manage. So see VPN connectivity, terms of usage, authentication context. So lots of options. So you can connect on, click on VPN connectivity. Click.
on VPN connectivity.
Here you can set up your VPN certificate as well. Okay, there are multiple options. So we are creating one policy. So right now we are creating one policy with a location based with USA and India only. Nobody can log in outside from India and the US. Okay. Now go to policies. Second tab, second option. Correct. So we have to create the policy based on this. So click on policy, new policy, plus icon, new policy. So in the new policy, we have to put this condition that if someone is from USA and India, then he is able to log in. Otherwise, he is not able to log in. That we have to put it here. First, put the name, any like ADP or something. Put the
No?
name, put the name. Are you able to hear me?
Okay, I should put the name.
Correct. Put anything like HR or department wise, you can put like HR, okay.
Okay,
Now
I
in the
put it
user, click on zero user, click on this. Now I am asking you one question, simple question. What you have to choose? None, all user, selected user. What you have to choose?
I'm
This is very simple.
selecting non-user. I'm
Which
selecting
no
user
no.
and group.
What option you need to choose? None, all user, or select user. What you need to choose?
I'm select user.
This is common sense question. Remember, this is common sense question. Now tell me. Let's see your IQ.
Okay. I'm selecting all user.
Why?
So when I select all user, then I'll go to.
No. Why you are choosing all user? You are selecting correct option. That is absolutely correct.
Oh no,
But why you
I'm,
are choosing select?
I'm selecting non-user.
No, that is wrong. All user is correct option. Right now you are choosing all user. That is correct. But why you are choosing all user? Give me
Because
explanation.
so that the user will be able to, so that any user other than the one, or all user will not be able to log in.
No, the reason is you are from.
India
Hello.
and
You are from.
United
You
States.
are from. You are from United States. I am from India. So, is there anyone from Russia?
No.
Then all user means you are from USA. I am from India. We already define a policy. So all users should be from either from USA or either from India. What? Why we are caring about for other countries? Suppose if someone want to log in from Canada, he will not able to log in, right?
Yes. So the system will look there as intruder.
Correct. Now, suppose there is a one external user as well. Click on exclude option. This is
Okay. So
include
am I?
option. No. Exclude option. Click on exclude. Yeah. So once you click on exclude, it will ask you the external user and guest directory as well. You can go with a when you click on user list, the third option. Click on the third option, user and group. So it will list down every user. So right now we have two is Rudolph and Imanshu. You can select either one and select. Okay, choose both. Choose both. Select because both are external. We are not the part of organization. That is the reason we have to choose this option, not the all user. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are choosing correct. We did this, and now if you change your location tomorrow by Canada or some other location, if you want to go to some travel or something, then you can choose anything and then go with it. Right? That is the first option. Now, but remove this user and group. So this is one option by which you can choose the user. No. Go to the same exclude. Remove this and then click on directory role. One by one, I am telling you one by one. Okay. So this is the one
This
option. Now second is directory role. Once you select the directory role, it will give you all the options like user administrator, data engineer, or anything. Select this one. Select in the drop down menu. Now you can see first option is by the name you can find. Second option by the designation. Like you can see scroll down application administrator or something. So you can choose any kind of a designation, and based on the designation you can choose. Like you want that application developer should be from USA. Okay, then you can choose. Understand that.
one moment. Give me one moment. Hello, doctor. Hello?
Yeah, Rudolph.
Hello? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so the first option you can choose is based on user. Second option by the designation. Third option is guest or external. You can write any kind of a mail ID over there. Okay?
Wait. You said this first option is guest and external user.
Correct. So when you choose this one, choose the first option.
Guest and external user.
You can choose any one from here. Click on drop down. So you can choose local guest user, service provider user, other external user, or some options. But you have to create these lists based on the list. Okay.
Okay.
And
So
the last of
if you choose any user here, the user won't be able, or the user will be able now to log in into the account, right?
no. If you choose any option like excluded or included, any list, any kind of a thing, then the policies apply for that user. What policy? That if you want to log into portal, then you should be from either from USA or India.
Okay.
Right? So
Yeah.
that is the policy. You can choose any option, like multiple option you can choose also. So like we have selected the options and all. Okay. Now select, go to the last option, the third option. Deselect this one. Deselect this one. Deselect everything. Yeah. So yeah, we are going with this. No, click on user and group. Choose these two again. Okay, it is already been selected. Okay. Select. Click on select. Okay. So now you are selecting two user that these policies apply for the two user. Okay. So you can select anyone or include also, you can go with any kind of a thing. Now the second one is option number second. The not target resource selected. Target resource. Target resource. Yeah. Click over there. So no target, click over there. I'm not able to see the option. Scroll up. Yeah, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Yeah. Also here you can scroll up. I'm not able to see the option. In the target also you are able to see the same option, like cloud application you want to select or which target or which application you want to choose. So you need to go to the select tab because we are setting up this environment for ADP. So you need to choose the same option in the ADP select app. Choose the select app. Correct. Now click on select. Select none. NONE. Select tab. Again choose select tab. Select app. Then in the select there is none. Yeah, is this one. This one correct. Where you have your mouse is there. So there is a none option. No, not this one. Not this one. The below one. Correct. Click over there. So we have set up the ADP. So we have to choose the ADP over there, right? So type ADP, or if you want to, you can see ADP, then you can go with it. Yeah, click over, just type ADP. Let's see how many options are there. PP. So in ADP, you can see only one option. Choose this. Select. Now your policy is like in user side, two user, Himanshu and Rudolph. Target side ADP. So Himanshu and Rudolph can access ADP. Now, next option. Next option is you need to design a policy based on your requirement. Okay. So you can choose, like there are lots of options in the ADP side. You can choose anyone. So in the edit filter, click on edit filter none. So you can see in the edit filter none side, right now it is disabled because you don't have a permission, right? Because this is a custom security attribute. You have to design a completely record. like attributes or operator or something. You can go with it. Okay. Close this one. This is a completely new thing. Now, close this. Close. Now, yeah. Wait. Do not touch. Do not touch. Now, we have designed everything and we have set up the app and everything. Okay. Now, our task would be we have to design a policy. We have to select our policy as well. Okay. Now, click on the condition. Click on the condition. Left side, condition. The condition which you have created just now. Click on this. Zero condition selecting. Click on this.
I should click
The
on
blue
this?
one. Yeah.
I click on it already.
The blue one.
Yeah, I click.
Okay. Scroll up then. I'm not able to see the, yeah. Scroll up, not down. Yeah, scroll up. Yeah. So in the user risk, like, how can I say user is risky or not? So you have a call at what time, Rudolph?
Huh?
You have a call at what time?
A call?
Call. You have a meeting, na? Corporate meeting.
Oh, you mean the guy who was calling me? We were supposed to go somewhere, but he told me later.
Okay, because I have scheduled my one meeting at the same time.
Yeah, when your meeting is over, and then you can go.
Okay. So later thing we will do from here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomorrow we can start from here because my meeting will be started in 3 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
then Rudolph, please recall this and we will do after this. If it is possible, do not close this window or tab if possible.
Okay.
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 Okay, then. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.